Good morning. It is a cloudy and rainy day here in North Carolina, and today I'm in this pollinator garden seeing if I can photograph some birds out here. So come along and enjoy this adventure. The first bird that I photographed today literally flew in about 45 seconds after I sat down. Is a blue grosbeak. These are a fairly common bird found in open fields here in North Carolina in the summertime. In the wintertime they migrate to Central America. They are a beautiful bird. They're actually described as a large indigo bunting. They're a little bit darker than indigo bunting, and they have this beautiful black wing that they have there. Incredibly beautiful bird. I gotta tell you how excited I am because I haven't been able to photograph a blue grosbeak. I shouldn't say haven't been able to photograph it. I haven't been able to photograph it in an environment that I think is really good. So if these pictures are any good, here they are. So what am I doing here? I mean, the last couple of videos, I've been in this stool trying to photograph birds. And why have I suddenly changed the technique of the way I'm doing stuff? And the reason why I'm doing that is I want to get to eye level with the birds. I want to be at a more intimate environment where more of the bird is in focus and less of the environment around it is in focus. The environment around it becomes an instrument of the photo and not a distraction of photos. And that's one of the reasons why I've decided to do this technique and see how it works out. And I gotta tell you, I've been pretty happy with a lot of the photos I've been taking like this, and it's something that I might continue until the grass gets a little bit higher and I don't have to do this. But I think anchoring myself in one spot is really helping my photography. Just had a male and female northern cardinal just fly in. These are a very common year-round resident of North Carolina. The males are these bright red color. They have this black mask and with this red crest here. They're incredibly beautiful birds, and they're unique in birds. Where most birds will eat insects when they're available, the northern cardinal will feed its young insects, but when the birds fledge, they will only eat fruit and seeds for the rest of their lives, obviously feeding their young insects. I just find that incredible. But anyways, if these photos are any good, here they are. Well, here comes the rain. Well, I was really hoping to be able to photograph birds for a lot longer than I was. This rain is going to end sometime tomorrow, so I think we end the video here. I want to thank you for watching. If you got anything out of it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Leahy. I want to thank you for watching.